Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our back to school category for our clearance and penny list at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you all missed it, I have already uploaded the new Dollar General clearance markdown and penny list video for this week at Dollar General. So if you missed out on that, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to some amazing Craz-E couponers. These are the first 3 people who commented on the last video. So I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Marsha, Deborah, and Dina. Thank you guys so much. You all are amazing. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into these back to school categories. So first up, we have our back to school stationery. Now this category is dropping down to 70% off starting today on Tuesday, April the 11th. But keep in mind that these will continue to drop and they will eventually penny out. Now, we do have some really good items in this category. Things like notebooks, pencils, erasers, highlighters, even some lunch boxes and backpacks. And I want you guys to make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because as I'm finding more and more items, I will add those into our future clearance markdown and penny list videos. Alright, now rolling on into our second category, we have the back to school hardware items. Now these are currently sitting at 50% off. But again, keep in mind that these will continue to drop. They will go down to 70, probably 90, and then eventually they will penny out. Now, don't let the name of this category throw you off, because it can be a little bit deceiving. You know, we think back to school hardware, we think, back to school items. But apparently Dollar General thinks that car lights are included in, a back-to-school hardware category. So in this category, we have lots of car lights. We have trim lights. We have lights for cup holders. We have door lights. all kinds of lights. Now, as you guys will notice, I did use the same picture for some of these. For instance, like these right here. These are just light strips, and basically the packaging is all the same except for where this one says white, it'll either say red or blue if you find the other colors. So just be aware of that. I did not use the exact pictures on all of these just because they looked so similar. Now, here at the end, you guys are going to see a few more items that are included in the back to school hardware category, such as we have a couple of handheld flashlights that y'all can pick up at 50% off right now, but keep in mind that they will eventually go down to $70, $90, and then they'll penny out. We also have these really cute photo LED string lights, as well as this little lock box. And we also have some pepper spray included in this category. Now, for this visual, I had to put in the pink one, but keep in mind that it is the teal one, so it will look just like that, only will have the teal pepper spray in the packaging, and the packaging may be teal as well. So be on the lookout for those. They may be kept behind the register, so keep your eyes peeled. And then last but not least, we have this rainbow duct tape as well as some blue marbled duct tape. So keep your eyes out for those. All right, now keep in mind, the more that you all watch these videos, the easier that it's going to be to go penny shopping when these items penny out, because the more you familiarize yourself with them, the more you know what you're looking for, the easier it's going to be. Those items will pop out to you like a sore thumb when you walk into Dollar General. So watch the video a couple of times, and also don't forget to go and check out my other clearance and penny list visual videos. For instance, up next, I'm going to be uploading the Easter visuals, and in that video, I believe we have a total of 4 different categories, and I have a feeling that I've found a few Easter items that might be overlooked by the employees. So make sure that y'all come back and check that one out later. And right now, y'all can go and check out the Blue Dot clearance visual video. I've had that one posted for a couple of weeks now, so I'm going to have that one linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And remember that just because your store no longer carries apparel, that doesn't mean that you still can't find those Blue Dot accessories. Those are pretty much at every single store that I've been to. So definitely make sure that you go and check out that video. And like I said, I'm going to have all those videos listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys will stick around and stay tuned because we have more deals coming up soon. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and we are less than 50 people away from getting to 40,000 crazy couponers. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And then do your girl a huge favor and help me get this video out there into the YouTube algorithms. It's really simple and easy. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. So it is really simple, quick, and easy. And it really does help me out more than you guys will ever know. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.